Often, we need to import MS Excel data to the SQL tables. The error occurs while choosing Excel as a data source during the import wizard. The error arises when the Microsoft Access Database Engine is not installed on the machine where the SQL Server Management Studio is running. To fix the issue, install the compatible Access Database Engine Redistributable driver on that machine. Search for Microsoft Access Database Engine on Google. Download and install the package. The versions 2013 and 2016 didn't work for me, so I am installing version 2010. Accept the license terms and continue the installation process. A message will pop up after successful installation. Now the import data from the Excel feature will work fine.